Hmm? Add it on.
Okay, I need a better pizza. One made with only real cheese. And dough that rises naturally with no chemical others. A pizza with premium meats. And sauce made from only real tomatoes. A pizza my family will love. Freschetta naturally rising crust pizza. Freschetta. Made better to taste better.
When you're done, run it. Just so you can see how it looks.
Like a brand new Camry for just $17,988, or a new Camry LE, the luxury edition, only $18,988. Our lowest prices of the year now.
How about you use this machine?
I-77
How about you use this machine so that you can be doing something while you're on the road?
Citizens Bank, forever first.
Did I show you how to run it? Do you know how to run it? Okay, so to execute it, you can there's a couple different ways. The easiest way is just click on that green triangle. So it runs your web page. So now you have a button, you have a text box, you have a calendar control. So if you click on one of those arrows on the calendar control, it actually takes you to the next month. So now you got, it does all this for you. You don't have to go in and create this. On other technologies, you have to create all of this yourself, which means you'll be working forever just to create that one little thing. So now if you want to stop it.
Celebrates what's great about shopping in South Park. The variety and the showcase affordable and luxury fashions for men, women, and children. See it on the runway, get it in the store.
That's fabulous. Let's talk a little bit about the fashions, because we actually have some models here in the studio, and Tyra Banks would just be proud of all three of you. You're going to be all kinds of
That was working.
So we wanted to give you a little tease of what you can expect. Alyssa's wearing a great look from Banana Republic. The debate on why after Labor Day, glitter white is in. The statement coat, great look. Except what you can mix and match and get lots of looks.
She's giving me some like Olivia Pope right now with that
Right
coat.
Right, she's making us all
Close
shine.
that.
Yes.
Close
And
it.
then transitional season temperatures is going to be 60, 50. Ross has layered in an outfit from Gap, which is great because you can lose layers based on the temperature outside. A big trend for
All right.
fall. And the
So yours is like that?
also a big trend for men this fall.
How does it look when you
And
execute?
lastly, taking a little more casual from True Religion. Denim, not your basic denim this season. We're seeing wax denim, we're seeing detail. Here, a little bit of an animal print on the side.
So you click on the arrow, you'll see that it changes the months and all that. So let's add on. So right here, a couple things like very important things. So this right here, where it says ID, on each one, this is the name of your text box. Very important to give your controls good names. So what if you had like 4 calendar controls or 3 text boxes, and it was, so add on another text box. Matter of fact, just copy this line. Copy that line right there. And go down to the copy. Yeah. Go down to the end of this line, to the back of that line. Hit enter. And paste. Control V. Alright. See how I automatically named the text box too? So imagine if we had a form, right? And we wanted to get our user's first name. We collected information from our user. We wanted to get our user's first name and their last name. In your code when you're writing, you gotta say, okay, this text box has the data that I want. How do you know what text box 1 and text box 2 have? Especially if you have like 23 different text boxes on there. So you want to give it a name that's a good name. So you want to name it like something like TXT first name, TXT last name. Or you want to say your calendar control is like your calendar for birth date or something like that. You want to give it a good name. Your button, you want to give those good names too because they run different. You can have different actions occur based on what button you push. So if you want to do an update or a delete, say if you had information you want to put into a database, you want to do an insert. So you want to name your button like BTN insert, something like that. Just remember, change your names to something good and give it a good description, like your button has a good description. You notice your text box doesn't have any text because you're not putting anything in. You could. So do me a favor, go behind that quote. Go behind the quote on my button.
Oh, my button?
Yep, go behind the quote.
Oh, right here?
Yep. Just click. Hit space. So this gives you all kinds of stuff that automatically giving you about your button. So you can go through and change your back color, your button, your back color of your button, the fore color of your button. You can change the text, the tooltip, all kinds of stuff. Scroll back up, tab index.
Right here?
Yeah. Well, just scroll up.